Let's go.
So good morning, babes. I am recording this video today, Sunday, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. I'm going to try to get my first round of the COVID shot. I'm also going to try to look at some makeup products, so it's like buy makeup with me. I didn't have a lot of time yesterday to look in the store, but I did buy like I bought 2 items because I got like some sponges and some powder, finishing powder. I'm trying to get into the whole makeup thing because I need to learn how to do my own makeup. Like, I can't have a makeup artist everywhere I go, so I feel like that'll be very beneficial to me if I learn how to do it on my own. So you guys will be getting a lot of makeup videos. I also ordered me a frontal wig, and yeah, I'm gonna also install that on my own. I don't know how to do the cornrows, so of course I'm gonna go to my braider and get a wash and a braid down before I install my wig. And there's also some other products that I need to achieve the perfect install or semi-perfect install, because I don't really know what I'm doing, but it's all a learning process. And from the videos it look hella easy, but I know once you try to do your own hair, it be like, what is you doing? You be about to fight the air because you just be so mad. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna go to Walmart. They offer the COVID testing, not COVID testing, the COVID vaccine. So yeah, I'm just gonna go there and hopefully I don't be sick or anything like that. I will kind of try to document how I feel or give you guys like an update on Wednesday, because this Wednesday I will be starting Storytime Wednesday. So we can basically unwind, have us a glass of wine while I tell my stories. And yeah, thank you guys so much. My subscribers are slowly growing. I'm super duper excited about that, because without you guys I would not be getting any views. But yeah, so let's try to go and get this COVID shot, and I'm going to take you guys along to buy some makeup with me. That I needed from Walmart. I just got this because I don't have a brush this small, and I felt like I could apply some eyeshadow with this. I seen one YouTuber using this Pro Spray and set and decided to give it a try. As well as this. This was the last one. I truly hated it because I didn't want the box to be, you know, but it's cool long as the product is not damaged. And I got these little sponges. I'm trying to get serious about this makeup stuff, y'all. I still have to go to Ulta to get some stuff, but I didn't want to buy anything out of Walmart. I wanted to try some new products, and yeah. First round of the coffee shop. So far, so good. Hopefully it stays that way because I can't afford to be down and like tired and stuff like that because I have a lot of stuff I need to do this week. And I wanted to go ahead and get it just to try to stay safe, and because I just plan to do a whole lot of traveling from here on out because life is just too short, and I just want to get out and I just want to see the world. So I was just like, hey, may as well get it, try to keep myself and others safe, continue to wear my mask, keep my child safe because she does go to school. And you know, I just want to take a little extra precautions to other students as well as the teachers and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna persuade anybody to do something that they don't want to do, because I'm just like, you have to make that decision on your own, and I can't tell you, nobody else can force you to do it. You have to do your own research and, you know, just decide if that's something that you would like to do.